You will never guess what I have in store for you today. It's something really interesting and cool. Because I got a sponsor. Slush advertising. Cake. Bloop, 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 bloop. Ta-da! It's Kabrita goat milk. Hi there, it's Didi the Trinidn. Dietitian nutritionist. Kabrita. I got this lovely package last night. Oh. So I got one with full creams in Madness Mondays with Didi goat powder with vitamin D. Vitamin D. This is the one I'm gonna use. I got a toddler one for cute little toddler babies. 12 months plus. And I've got one for 6 to 12 months. Cute little goodie, cute little goodie. Got the ingredients right here, man. Skimmed goat milk powder, lactose, vegetable goat oils, glucose syrup solids, full goat milk powder, goat whey protein, minerals such as calcium, and some DHA protein. So the first thing in the ingredients is what the product is made of. So it's got a good mixture of macronutrients and some minerals and vitamins. Perfect for your babies. I want to open it. Let's see. See, first time I'm opening it. Look how cute this lid is. Oh, it just popped right open. That's so easy to open, man. So convenient. Ooh, smells nice. Smells good. It's based on Dutch goat milk, so it offers high quality, and tastes good. It's actually very suitable for infants because it's softer to the stomach and it's more easily broken down. It helps with digestion. But of course, you know, breast is best for less than 6 months of age. Complete breast milk. You don't need anything else but breast milk. Kabrita is very close to human milk. And if you have any milk intolerances, Kabrita is very good for you, goat milk. So common signs you can look out for cow milk sensitivity. Number 1, nasal congestion. Number 2, reflux. Number 3, ear infection. Number 4, gas, constipation, or diarrhea. And if you're interested in finding out more information about Kabrita, just go to the link. It's in the description. Check out the website. Go, go, go. Available in Trinidad and Tobago. And I think in a few places in Barbados. Soon coming to other Caribbean islands. It's an alternative to cow's milk. And it's gentle on the stomach. And it's got a high level of nutrients and a good taste. In Trinidad and Tobago, you could get it at True Value, you could get it at Massy stores, you could get it at Extra Foods, JTA. It's highly available. I'm going to use the goat milk to make my healthy breakfast porridge in Didi's Kitchen Madness. Simple, quick, and easy. Simple, quick, and easy. And nutritious. Delicious madness. Because you know breakfast is one of the most important meals of the day. It's first meal that you're gonna eat after you wake up. So you gotta pack that body with healthy breakfast and give you the energy that you need to function properly. So oatmeal is actually very high in dietary fiber. And it helps to reduce that bad cholesterol, so it's very, very good for you in the morning. It's also good for heart health and helping to boost that immune system. And now we're gonna add in this high quality Kabrita milk. Let's get to it. So your ingredients, obviously. Got about 2 tablespoons. I've got some walnuts, raisins, and almonds. You cheeky fake. I've got some oats, peanut butter, and cinnamon. And some water. Let's get to cooking, buddy. Yeah. Got my pot. So I know you know this dish is completely delicious, nutritious, and it's so adorable. So this serving is just enough for me. If you want to make more, of course you can. Oatmeal, oatmeal, oatmeal. Mmm. Yummy, yummy. Mmm. Mmm. Tastes so good, it's so yummy. So divine. So divine. So if you tried this recipe, let me know how it turns out. With Kabrita goat milk. Can't wait to make the next recipe with Kabrita goat milk. And I'll share my nutrition facts with you. Because you know this is very nutritious. Oh, yummy. Kabrita, Kabrita, Kabrita. Kabrita, Kabrita, Kabrita. Oh, love you. Love you, love you, love you, love you. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Tag all your friends, invite all your friends to like my page. Check me out on all my social media links such as YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. And don't forget to click the like button. Click it. Click it. Check out my last video where I did a surprise Saturday video. And I made some Roku chicken. Stewed chicken with no sugar. And look forward to my other videos because I post videos every week. Thank you so much, Kabrita. Thank you so much for sponsoring and advertising with Didi. I hope that you like this video. And you'll advertise again soon. Did you know my Chinese zodiac animal is actually a goat? And the little baby goat is so cute. So cute, so cute. Bye. Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy. Be happy. Be happy. My book is coming out soon. Soon. Get a sponsor. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Got it. Ooh. Do not throw it down, do not throw it down. Clumsy, clumsy. Balance, balance, balance. Ooh. Are you bent? Yeah.